Hey everybody, it's Maria. Happy Crafty Saturday. It's Saturday, April 21st, 2018, and I wanted to come on with a share today. Hopefully my video is better today with the blurriness. I'm trying to play with the settings. Anyhow, I wanted to share with you an embellishment book. I got the idea from Crafting with Liller, and she does some outstanding stuff, and I pretty much copied her idea. And I know she got the idea from another friend who sent her one of these, and so I'll just get right into it and share. On the front of it, I have a rosette and some sewn crepe paper. So it's double-sided. I used my We Are Memory Keeper sewing machine for that. I cut the rosette on my Silhouette Cameo. I put some washi tape on some paper, some cardstock, and just cut it to make it more stiff, and I love it. Okay, I put a closure on mine because it was just getting super alligator-mouthed. So, okay, so that's the closure, and then that's the back. I love it. It's a stretch elastic for the closure. Open that with a Velcro. Okay, so here's the first page. Let's see here. I have a wooden mason jar, and I wrapped some twine around it, twine samples, and it's just stuck on there with some foam dots. So you can pull it off, and you can reuse the mason jar, and then you got some different embellishments here. On this side, I have two rosettes. These are from Hobby Lobby, and I have a clip. This one's from Michael, so I didn't make any of these, but love how it came out, and I have a tab here. On the next page, I have some handmade embellishments. These are all made from crepe paper, and on the flowers, I die cut the flowers, and then I have just not bling, but pearl centers, pearlescent pearl centers. This is a crepe paper heart, so I made a crepe paper rosette, and then I die cut a heart. And then these are just die cut cardstock in the middle. And then on this side, I have some die cuts, heart die cuts here, and then here I have some washi tape samples. And I put them in a bag, and I just put them loosely and wound them. These are the kind that have the paper release on the back, so I thought it'd be cool to do it this way, and then they can use them how they want. On the next page, I have a whole bunch of different die cut bows. So I kind of went bow happy. I love bows. I like to put bows on everything. It's just cute. You could put them on cards, on packages, on tags, you name it. So these are all cut on my Silhouette Cameo here. These are cut from the Looking Good collection. I think it's also called Ooh La La. The sticker collection for that's called Looking Good. It's from Michael's. And these are cut from some gold paper. These two are from another collection from Michael's that was a hot buy, and I don't know the name off the top of my head right now. And then they just have various centers on them. And I love how these bows came out. The book was done with a couple of different paper stacks and then a cardboard base. I didn't put anything in the middle here because I wanted to be able to just stick it down easily. And then I did cover the middle here with some washi. And let's see here, shut that, and then the back, and then the middle here with the same washi I used to make tags here. One more quick thing, I wanted to show you guys because I thought it was pretty funny. So I like getting the tape from Joann's. That's the Mrs. Sparkle, or Miss Sparkle and Company, because I like the quality of it, and it's $2, and often you get it on sale for $1. So I hoard it and I use it. But I was noticing this week they had on sale for $1.19 again. And this is what I got this week, this one. This is what I had from when I had it from maybe 3 or 4 months ago. So this one is 15 yards and this one is 5 yards. They cut it back by 10 yards for the same price. I was just noticing all of them are that way because this is, let's see, 20 yards and now 15 yards. Let's see if I can back up just a hair. Okay. And then now I have this one. This is the 1/2 inch, and we had originally 30 yards, and now we have 10 yards. So they have seriously cut back the amount we are getting for the same price. Now, mind you, I'm not complaining, honestly, because I like the tape. It's still worth it for, when it goes on sale for $1.19 or $1. So I will still continue to buy it. I just had noticed it because when it goes on sale, that's when I like to get it, and I use it fairly often for different projects, but I just thought that was interesting. So anyhow, thanks for watching my video. I made 4 of these because these were going to go in a swap I was doing as the goodie, but then it just didn't fit in the bag, so I'm hoping that in a future swap I could swap with them. And I don't know what else. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.